Okay guys, so now we've got our artichokes. They've been steamed for about 30 minutes and I took them out and cooled them down enough that I could touch them. They're still slightly warm, but they're not burning my hands or anything. So I've got this baking dish that they fit in and I'm going to stuff them and show you how that works. So I'm going to do, obviously, about half of the stuffing per artichoke. So I'm going to open these artichokes up and it gets pretty messy. Don't feel bad if you've lost a little bit in the bottom of your pan. Okay. And I like to get a little bit down in the petals there, so it just looks really well stuffed. Then once these are all stuffed, we will cover them in foil. We're going to actually put about 1 inch of water in the bottom of the pan first before we cover it, so that the pan doesn't burn in the oven. And you're going to put them in the oven at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 minutes, and then they're done. And I'll show you what they look like when we're all done baking them. They are so good. Of course, you guys probably hear me say that about everything. I really like food, if you haven't noticed. So all food I cook tends to be so good to me. But you guys will have to try it out for yourselves to test that and see if I'm lying about my food or not. Okay. Okay, so those are all stuffed. What's nice about the artichokes is there's not a ton of intense work. It's mostly waiting while they're steaming or baking. I'm going to lean those against each other so they don't keep falling over. Okay, so now I'm just going to cover these with foil and put them in the oven for 30 minutes at 425 degrees Fahrenheit. And then I'll show you what they look like when they're done. Again, put your water in the bottom there. I put about 1 inch in the bottom, maybe a little bit more, just so that we know that the water's not evaporating and the pan's not burning while they're in there. So I will pause the camera and show you what they look like when they're done. Okay guys, so the artichokes are done. They're steaming like crazy because they are so hot. But I'm going to put some oven mitts on so I don't burn my hands. So I'm going to show you guys what these look like up close. They're so beautiful. They have this beautiful golden look on top. The crust, I guess you could call it. The Parmesan cheese just really browns up so well. And my whole kitchen smells so good. So I'm going to show you what these look like up close. Okay, so you can see I still got them in the pan with the water for now. Typically I would use some tongs to get these out, put them on a plate, let them cool down, and then you can serve it in whatever kind of serving dish you want. You see that? Yeah, they're really steamy. But they're so pretty and they taste so good. Serve it up with the dipping sauce on the side and let everyone just take what they want and put it on their own plate. And these will be a perfect side dish for your Thanksgiving turkey. Try it out. Let me know how it goes. Let me get these oven mitts off. Let me know how it goes. Like and subscribe. Hopefully come back next week. God bless you guys and good night.